In Artcam 2008, we create a new model. Set the size you want. I set 400mm square, for example. Okay. So first we draw rectangle. Create. Close. I set the size by double-click transform vectors. Uncheck this. Make it the same size of my workpiece. 400mm. Apply and 0, I close. Okay. Now we use the offset vectors. Set the offset distance to 20. Here the inverse sharp offset. Close. Okay. Now we draw the cross section. So we use this polyline. Check on this, draw smooth polylines. Like this. We use the node editing. Okay, so we use the transform tool to scale it. Make the new width to 20mm. Apply. Okay, so we now select this, hold shift key, select this. We go to relief vector, the two rail sweep. Make sure these two arrow to the same direction. Select this cross section, add cross section. Calculate. So here is the effect we get. If you don't satisfied with the results, you can press this reset. Here we create a new layer. And we delete this old layer. Select this, top, select this, bottom, and select this, and we uncheck this scale, height with width, add cross section, and calculate. Okay, so now add straight the height. Now we select these two square. We go to Toolpath, relief, selected vector, offset. We select a 2 bar nose 3mm. Select material, make it 18mm for example. Calculate now. Okay, so now you can check the four corner. They're all in fine connection. Okay, so now we can save the Toolpath. Choose the post processor you need and save. for your CNC router. Okay, thank you for watching.